everyone, this is Deanna, the Organized Miss, and I just felt, inspired to find a way to store my kits. So they have looked like this. I use a couple of the other boxes to hold mixed media like projects I'm working on, but those had been full of the kits and just basically piled up there. And I had seen, I don't know who, someone on, probably I think the first time I saw it could have been Shannon Green. And she was showing how she stored her kit. So I went looking for some of those, like plastic, bags. And I found some, but I wasn't impressed with them. So I started thinking, I wish they had some bags that had hole punches, where you could hole punch and put them in a binder. And so I went to another store, and sure enough, they were there. So I had been at Walmart, and they just had this part. And then I thought, I wonder what the dollar store has. So we've got a couple of different dollar stores in my town, and I went, and this kind is what I had kind of seen in my mind's eye, and this is what they had. They had several different colors, and I think they were $1. They're just, they're not fancy, but they'll work for what I'm using them for. And they hold all my bits and leftovers, and I do not use my full kit every month. I'm trying to challenge myself to do that. But I had just been using it in planning, and now I'm using it for mixed media and all kinds of stuff. So I just got several of these, and they have different colors. And at first I thought, ooh, I'm gonna coordinate, with the kits. But yeah, no, I don't know if I stayed with that for very long. But so they come 2 to a package. So I'm sorry about that glare. They are 2 for $1. So I wanted 10, so I ended up getting 10, but I ended up with 20. So I'll have some for a while. And it makes it so easy, and I just grabbed this binder also while I was there. It was, again, like $1. And just filled them up in here. And so now they take up way less space. I can see, quickly at a glance what kit I want, which colors I want to use. And it's so easy. So, yeah, if any of you are still looking for a solution for storing your kits, this is, this is my pick.